Here you can see the meter in action. I'm going to start the vehicle engine and we'll see what its voltage does. So that's the ignition on there. And then you can see that pulse down as it starts up. And now it's starting to charge. And got quite a bit of noise on it. You can tell the noise because the line, as you can see right there by the 15, is a thicker line. So if there's a lot of noise on something, not only will the digits wobble, but you'll also see the line will be thick because it takes the max and min of the samples and plots that as a... Okay, it's been running for a bit and you can now see that the battery to battery charger is starting to take a little from the vehicle and send over to the camper. If I give the engine a little rev here, it's super hard to set the RPM. But anyway, it's basically working and having that history on there. I mean, it's not super accurate, it's just something to look at. Well, okay, it's a whole lot more accurate than the other meters I've had. And if I turn off the key here, we'll see the vehicle voltage drop down, you know, to where it's resting voltage. And the camper will stop charging because it no longer has the battery to battery voltage in it. And just for kicks, we'll go ahead and do another start cycle. There's key on. The vehicle voltage drops a little more. Cranking. And you can see that cranking really pulls the voltage down there during the crank. And it immediately starts charging and going back up again. So anyway, that's the meter. Hope you enjoyed taking a look at that.